it's always good to meet good old friends at events like the IST UV Days. And I'm here with Stéphane from Leonhard Kurz. And Stéphane, great to see you again.
Hello, Martin. How are you?
I am. Are you interviewing me? I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very well. Thank you.
Okay, fantastic. So, Kurz is, of course, well known in the industry for your fantastic foilings and metallization and technology that is basically increasing the value of printed materials, but also a lot of other things. So, why are you here at the IST UV Days?
Yeah, Martin. First, we had a very nice invitation from Tim and Andreas, so we couldn't say no to join this great event.
Of course.
But of course, there's some also other topics which we have. Obviously, we are in the industry of code transfer and digital embellishment, and very much topic on code transfer, sheet fed or web fed, and the digital embellishment needs UV. So, if I may say so, we are kind of married together because we need a UV lamp or normal LED lamp to make it work with our product. That's one of the reasons. And of course, the networking is very important.
And I mean, this is like a fantastic place to network. I mean, lots of exhibitors. There's a lot of guests already here. And the 3 days is expected to almost have 1,000 people here. I mean, it's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's what I heard, 1,000. Since this morning, we had already a lot of people at our booth, our small booth here. You can see a lot of new samples, which we can go through afterwards. As a matter of fact, we already met a lot of people we know, but also new people. So incredible to be on this place.
Fantastic. And then you were invited also to participate in a panel debate with fantastic people like Sabine Gelderman, Sebastian Stange from Koenig & Bauer, yourself, and of course Tim from IST Intech here. So I was just wondering, if you look at that panel debate, of course it was about Drupa. You have is it a platinum sponsorship to Drupa? What does Drupa mean to Kurz?
Yeah, when we were talking to Sabine and the other colleagues to participate on this plenum, we said we have to be here because, as a matter of fact, you just said we are platinum partners of a Drupa, and we believe in a Drupa. We were missing it last time. It was so important for us to be present because that's what I said just before. Our product can only be sold when you see them, and it's very difficult to show a product onto the screen only. You have to take it on your hand and put it in the camera or in front of people. So this is compulsory for us, and it's for us the main fairs for the graphic industry. That's why we decided platinum.
And does that also lead to you? Do you have foils that look like platinum?
We do have. Yeah.
Of course you have, right? I mean, so you can basically use your own fantastic products to showcase your commitment to Drupa.
Definitely,
right?
We've got all kind of platinum effects in our product portfolio. Definitely.
Yeah. A little bit later during this couple of days, we're going to talk to your colleague about sustainability. Of course, we will get back to that. But that is a topic of also the Drupa panel debate. I mean, obviously, sustainability is important. Why is it in particular important for a company like Kurz?
Well, the sustainability topic, I think it's a must. It's on a high level, but I think at the same moment it's going to be too much. And I think at Kurz we make already our homeworks and giving the proof that attractivity can be and is sustainable. And the path forwards to the Drupa will be the proof that sustainability and attractivity are together. We don't want to put sustainability on the top of the top of the top, but this is something we take at granted. We reduce our PET, is what I have in the back from me here. We take the PET back, we give the guarantee that it's stayable, and so on and so on. There's a lot of things we are already done, and I think this is a base. And then we can talk about new topics like attractivity, like cost efficiency, like being quicker, better, higher. And but sustainability has to be said, has to be presented. That's it.
One of the things that was also talked about during the panel was obviously the value of print, right? And I mean, you are on the top when it comes to the value, added value and value creation of packaging, because I mean, again, you have examples here where you can see that this is a cold foil example where you can basically see the value of it. But I mean, I take that people, when you look at a retail space, and if you look at your eyeballs, basically, right? what you sell and what you deliver to the world is simply something that brings more value to the brand owners, but also to the converters and the PSPs, right?
Yeah, this is totally correct. And I see that you already know pretty much our product because you saw and understood that it's called transfer. Great, well done, Morten.
I have actually cheated a little bit because when I was due at the Open Weeks, I actually got to understanding because I mean, this product to the layman will probably look like anything else, but if it was a full foil, then you would have to print with white. So now you say both the white ink, but you also get a more sustainable product, basically.
Yeah,
right?
actually here with this transfer solution, the first big topic is that you don't have any plastic film onto the packaging. So when it comes to recycling, sorting, it's much better.
Yeah.
And the other side, you have here some white, and you don't need to print too much white to get it. You just get it from the material. So you're totally right. You understand very well our product. Thank you.
I like your products, understand your products. And another thing I also like when you participate in the Drupa exhibition, as far as I remember, also from other exhibits where we have met, Kurz is very, very good at creating beautiful applications, sometimes by yourself and sometimes together with your customers, to basically showcase. Do you think the biggest driver for embellishment and for what you do is basically showing?
Yeah, of course, Morten. Everything what we show onto our booth, and especially on the Drupa, where we make every time a nice poster, and I can tell you that there will be one, but I don't reveal too much on this.
Ah, damn it. I thought you would tell me everything here.
And if you see the past and the two posters we already made, when I'm visiting customers and brand owners, they still have a poster somewhere hanging around. So this is the proof that they keep it in mind because it looks good and it makes a difference. So be surprised. I think I can already tell you it will be more in the digital embellishment side.
Why am I not so surprised, right? Well, thank you. Great to see you.
It was a pleasure again.
And I hope to see you soon again.
Yeah, and we had still one open point, a promise we made.
Yeah.
You were at the Label Weeks opening, grand opening.
Yeah.
And we said we need to meet again.
So
and
we
make
do that.
a summary.
So that's what we do?
We need to do this.
And you're smiling, so I take that the results were not too bad, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Was good, thank you.